Welcome to another tutorial. So here we will be learning about a tool called as Nikto. It basically tries to identify any basic vulnerability if it is present, like if there is some directory or file which is available for public view which should not be, and something like that. I'll just show you. So there is this website known as testphp.vulnweb.com. If you visit this, it is an intentionally created vulnerable website. So it has lot of vulnerabilities. Just like we practice on BWAP, it has a lot of vulnerabilities. So you can practice on this, like you can enter some XSS payloads over here, try CSRF at different positions. So let's try to take this as an example for our Nikto tool. The tool is very simple. It is better that you become root always, otherwise we have to type sudo again and again. So simply use Nikto, give -h and the host name that we want to give. Now hit enter. So this tool will run and it gives certain details like target IP is this, host name is this, port number is this, and the timestamp when the tool was started. Now it will try to enumerate and find different stuff. So this is also an important procedure while attacking a web application in general. So the server it identified was Nginx 1.4.1. So some headers, response headers were retrieved which showed that it is using PHP. Certain protection headers were missing, like X content type option was not set, and so on. So it will try to find other files also which are accessible. So you can see like this file it identified contains a wildcard character. So for more details you can visit the link for reference also. Let's try to visit this site, this directory. And as you can see, it has a wildcard character star. So to read more about this vulnerability, that why it is listed down, I would highly suggest that you can search on Google crossdomain.xml with a wildcard. So these are certain directories that it tries to find. Okay. In general also, when you are scanning websites, it will try to list down all the directories that it found, or some other information like some headers are missing, or it will try to get certain important information that might be useful for you. This is the basic purpose of Nikto. Hope you learned about this tool. Thank you for watching this.